Today I have another program that is related to mathematics. Today I will practice on matrix multiplication. So for that I will create another class. Uh, right, matrix multiplication, multiplication. Okay. What I will do here I will take two matrices. Okay, and I will multiply both two matrix and I will store the result in a third matrix. Okay. So let's see what we will do. Okay. I will explain each line. Okay. So select main from here. So class got started. So take two matrix, two dimensional matrix. I will take here. So I will take simple number. You can understand it easily. So first matrix I will take 3 cross 4 size. Okay. 2 cross 4 is sorry, uh, 4 cross 3. 4 cross 3 means 4 rows and 3 column. I already explained in previous video how you can calculate number of rows, number of column. You already know, you study this thing in. So I am not going depth. This small things. Okay. Take one matrix. That one is size 4 cross 3 means 4 rows and 3 columns. I am going to take another matrix. And here I will take size opposite of previous one. Previous one I took 4 rows and 3 columns. So in this I will take 3 cross 4. 3 rows and 3 rows, 4 columns. Zeros, zeros, 4 columns. So it is 1, 2, 3 rows and 4 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4. Okay. So I took two matrix. Uh, explain and row 1 equal to 4 and column 1 equal to 3, row 2 equal to 3. This time delta column 2 equal to 4. And after that I will call multiplication. Inside this I will write on multiplication, and here I will pass it's A, row 1, column 1, row 2, column 2. I will call. Just go away, then method will be created automatically. So here method created, and here inside this I will write logic. Okay. Before that, one more will do. Will print logic separately so that I will how many times it will call. So to write separate print matrix is will pass it int two dimensional matrix int row int column. So for printing, we have to use two for loop for traversal of row, another traversal of column, and here I print it in row to remove ln from here, the line. So add j and want the space between the element, and after completing one row to new line. So this is logic printing. So let's move to the multiplication matrix. For multiplication, one condition is there. What is that? If row 2 is not equal to column 1, here this thing should be equal. Row 2 and column 1, these both things should be equal, then multiplication is equal. If it is not this thing, then multiplication is not. Multiplication is not possible, you can take it by simply solving. You take two matrix and row 1, column 1 and row 2 is not possible. Further done. So I am going to write logic for multiplication. For multiplication, I have to use C loop. Before writing this, I'm going to create resultant matrix is C, and the size of this matrix should be what? I already told you. 4 cross 4 means row 1 and column 2. New int row 1 column 2. Then according to that, for loop will be done. Okay? So row 1 plus plus, then for traversal of j is set in here. J is less than column 2 j plus plus, and one more for loop I will use here that will tell you the dimension of, means how many elements present in rows and how many present in each column. So for that purpose, I use another for loop, and that one will be row 2. E plus plus. Then I will run mathematical formula for addition. How we add. Okay, I will explain it not by formula. One is x a b a and a a a a a. Here it is a small a. That's why I will watching the part B. Then oh, he is missing here. Okay, here also. Oh, I didn't pass here. B to pass. That's why here valid here int E. Oh, now it's working. No error. Hmm. Okay, we write the logic. After that, I want to print. Okay, I want to print it in a map. So remove ln here and CRJ to give this with element on row by row. That's the element. So we completed logic here. So run it with one more better understanding method. Okay. Row 1, column 1, will be down. And A row 1. Okay. A row 1, column 1. After that, I pass. Matter. One more thing I'm going to here for better understand. We want to print both matrix also. So, so first matrix is called, okay, here I wrote down called here a matrix down that A here row 1 column. This one is matrix 1 and I'm going to print another matrix 2 also. Second 2 format, save it, run. So we got this arrow. First matrix, second matrix, fourth. Here both matrix got tick. Okay. So I saved both them. I simply line here. So here we got desired output. So I am going once more. I am going to explain what I did here. Okay. Then I will explain mathematically also. So here for multiplication matrix, I took two matrix in main. Okay, I already defined separately row and column for simplicity. So in main, I took one matrix and matrix one. That one is 4 cross 3 means it is contains 4 row and 3 column, and second matrix that contains 3 cross 4 size, and meaning of that it contains 3 rows and 4 column, and after multiplying both matrix it becomes 4 cross 4 means it becomes row 1 and column 2. So I gave new resultant matrix to the size row 1 is 4 and column 2 that is 4. Okay, and for multiplication there is one condition is necessary. What is that condition? If your column 1 and row 2 is not equal, then multiplication is not possible. So you have to see these 2 points. Okay, then if you did these 2 points, then your code will be correct. If you did any mistake in these 2 points, then you will not get correct output. Okay, so for that, move to the multiplication log, and inside main I call that multiplication matrix. In this matrix I pass all the things like matrix A and row 1 column 1 B row 2 column 2. Here row 1 column 1 is defining the size of row, and similarly with row 2 and column. So in multiplication matrix I pass. And for simplicity, better understanding, I print both matrix 1 and matrix 2. You can easily check, okay, what you took here, okay, not put, okay. So here, for better understanding, I print both the matrix. Okay. For printing matrix, I wrote logic separately, that is down. So for printing matrix, I pass matrix and rows and column size. And for printing, you have to take two for loop for traversal or row and column. We already did so many times. Okay. For printing matrix, some format is there. Means you print firstly matrix in a matrix format. For that, you have to remove ln from here and you give separation between each element, so it will become a separate line, and you provide ln after printing one row. Okay, so next row printing from next line. So I call this print method here and here two times for printing one first matrix, second matrix. Okay, and here I write condition here. Just now I told if our row 2 is not equal to column 1, then multiplication is possible. If you want to check, then you simply take some matrix, okay, with a different size, then you will get to know multiplication is not possible if this condition is not followed. For then for multiplication, firstly, I want to store that resultant array. So I took one new resultant two-dimensional array. Here I give size row 1 and column 2. Just now I explained this one also. After multiplying, its size become 4 and 4 means that is row 1 and column 2. So that's why I pass here row 1 and column 2. And again for I use two for loop here firstly. First for loop, that is traversal of row, and there it will go to row 1. Okay, and second for loop it is traversal for column. Okay, it will go to the size of column 2, and this is k loop is for the dimension of uh, array. Okay, means how many elements present in a given given matrix. Like here, we see that here three element in one row, one, two, three. In second matrix, let's take like how many element is there. One thing I did mistake here. That's why I'm thinking here it is B. Okay, so first same matrix printed two times. Okay, run it.